I'm Lynette Freitag, and I'm president of Loom Incorporated. Loom Incorporated has a facility in Carlisle, Kentucky, and then we also do some of our research and development in our main headquarters in Sharpsburg, Kentucky. In the textile world, people typically think of woven process, and that's what is mostly done for the clothing or things that people wear every day, and that's what they did by hand, and that's what they normally thought about. In industrial world, they had a non-woven industry which didn't use thread or the yarn to make things. So we have a machine that we have patented that runs the felting needles just like the non-woven industry world does, but we build and design machines for different purposes on a small scale. We've sold them to many of the different industry segments on the non-woven industry. They can be things like ag tech, where they make ground covers. The build tech can do reinforcement plastic, can do insulation. The cloth tech is a great example where the fabrics from the non-woven industry are used to make the clothes that we wear. And then, of course, one that we love and do all the time is home tech. With our home decor, we make a lot of things for that in our world and sell a lot of machines for people to do that on a small scale. And then for filtration, for the Indutech, we've been able to make mask filters that we had tested to make sure they filtered out all the particulates for the coronavirus. We've done that with the Loom. On the med tech part of the industry, we have used the Loom to do research for different bandages so the Loom can work in a clean room environment and satisfy that. Then there's mobile tech, which is the automotive industry. They use it for the carpet, they use it for the headliners, they use it for the covers and the motors, to cover wheel coverings, they use it for filtration. We've even run Kevlar through it to be able to use it for protective material. The felt loom works well in the recycling industry. You can take material and connect it to other materials and make a new cloth with it. So we've taken different denims and linens and woolens and connect them all together. And then we have a lot of purses and bags and things that we've done with the recycling thing. So we've used it for all different industry segments, sold to many people. And so it's very versatile. It's very much more than just making the fibers go together. The machine is simple. The machine has rollers that roll. It has the needles that go up and down. And we have controls that give you variability of the rollers and the needles. The materials that go through it are the magic. We would love to see the machines truly in the hands of people. There is so much innovation that can go about in the world today. And so we'd like to be able to have people have access to that all over the world. And we're starting to see more and more. We have it in 12 universities. We have it in Cornell, in Parsons Design School, University of Kentucky. We have an Auckland Technical Textile. We would like for the young people to realize what innovation can be new and done with a felting machine, and to be able to use textiles in a much more productive way.